Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. I'm very excited today because we have successfully completed a Black Friday shopping day and picked up the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black. Normally, I wouldn't go for the Ultra because of the price. I love the extra durability, I love the better GPS, I love all the marketing things like the titanium, the sapphire, all that, but more importantly, I didn't love the price. That wasn't until Black Friday, we were able to pick this up for about $100 off, and we splurged a little bit. So traded in my Series 7, and I'm excited to finally hop on the Ultra train. What I noticed is that the regular silver titanium watch comes in a white box, while this one comes in a nice matte black look. Carbon neutral packaging, which is cool. And the way that this packaging works, I don't even need the jerry rig everything knife. So that's a bummer. I'm just gonna put that to the side. With that, let's get to the unboxing. Just a nice and smooth little opening. And you are greeted with a beautiful, beautiful, I mean, Apple knocks it out of the park with their packaging sometimes, and this is one of those times. You're met with this really nice booklet, satin black look. Apparently this coating is even more durable than the natural titanium, so we'll see how that looks. I like the orange and black clashing. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting into this scuba stuff, but I'm still excited for the extra durability. Awesome, we'll put that to the side. And here's the watch. Also, I picked it up with the black trail loop. Wanted to try out a nice comfortable one, and we'll see how that goes. Let's move this to the side. I always love this part of the unboxings. Just do a little ASMR. And here we go. You just gotta love Apple presentation. Designed by Apple in California with a latitude and longitude. I'm guessing that's Apple headquarters in Cupertino. And let's check this out. That matte black is gorgeous. First impressions, beautiful. It is just so nice. I love the matte look. It does not seem to be fingerprinty at all, which is excellent. And I'm very excited to set this up. The other thing that we have in the box is a braided charging cable. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 cannot charge as fast as the Series 10 can, but it's also a bigger battery, and I'm okay with having a better battery life as opposed to just faster charging. Let's just put this to the side and open up the black trail loop. I love how all of this is matte black. That makes it look so nice and premium. This is one that has Velcro on it, so it is not as secure as something like the Ocean Band, but supposedly it's more comfortable. Let's clean this up and try it on. And here we are with the Ultra 2 in black with the black trail loop on it. I'm gonna try it on for the first time. Nice Velcro. This is the large variant of the black trail loop. And here we go. I'll say I was hesitant to try the black trail loop because I was worried it wouldn't be as secure as one of the other silicone bands that I'm used to, but at the same time, the watch is so heavy that I thought it would be nice to give it a go. And I'm glad I did. It feels really comfortable. I can't get over how sleek this watch looks. I love how the bezel blends into the actual screen as opposed to the regular natural titanium. The orange against the black looks fantastic. Let me get a close-up right there. And some other stats about this watch. It does come base with cellular, and it does have the multi-point GPS, so it'll have better accuracy than the standard Series 10, if that's important to you. It has better water resistance and a few more durable bits because it's made of titanium. This watch also does come with sleep apnea detection and a few other great software features. I hope that Apple resolves their lawsuits so that we can get the pulse ox monitoring back and we can just get that through a software update. Happy I was able to find it an upgrade from the Series 7 and got a good deal on it. But that's pretty much everything for the unboxing and initial impressions. I'm excited to get this set up. Long review coming shortly after a little bit of usage. If you learned anything in this video, please leave a like. And if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. Konstantinos with Konstantin Knows Tech. And remember, life's short. Buy tech.